sisters. I come in again. Okay, I come in again because I want to read for you about the Bible. Today is the talk about Jesus talk about the treasure. No, Jesus talk about the treasure. I want to read for you about a little bit here. Matthew chapter 6 verse 19. Talk about that. Do not store up yourself treasures on earth, where moth and rust destroy, and where thief break and steal. Break and steal. This is okay. You store in on the earth, but um, sometimes you lose. Okay, sometimes the thief stolen. Okay, a lot of things happen on the earth. Okay, here I want to start reading for you about a little bit here. Okay, away ni mi ta le ta ka to power ba kha la no bagate ma la le ma te asado no le ma te asado khu asapo to si queenie de plati vera la ba kha la wa kamara no pa kamara le da ja ta pa tu ta pa ta lu do pui do le bagate ma hokku de ge no le da no ko ra pa ka ba pa ta lu do pui do lo mu khu ni lo de vera phe mo no le ma da sa do khu asapo si queenie ka pa ni tu phe se pho mo no de vera di le tu ta pa pho tu ta lu do pui do lo hokku club phe a lot le ta kha do no ta tho I mahawata do phe ta bla no ba flora do khune tane de khune tane de okay away ni pakra patu patalo this is meaning about you we should think about it we should think about here's I'm going to the Proverbs chapter 23 the verse 4 Proverbs chapter 23 verse 4 talk about do not wear yourself out to get rich. Have the wisdom to show restraint. No? This mean somebody like somebody don't like. I understand about this way because of we are rich people. They don't like when you reading like this and talk about the king of heaven and putting treasure on heaven. This is the rich they don't like. I understand about it, but only think and carefully. No, let us look at our pakra sukamo lo pechino palo petaumo no away ni pakra patu patala petaumo sikolo. Pene paktere mana ligaturu asaru kisitha asapo luini tebra dile mata sudi tu nakaturo tororegi tane mana tane na talan na takuta sadane degi na tane na talan takuta sadane degi mata sudi tu just one day na just one day the better thing okay let us look at pakropatu patala pay ni tebra Timothy no pakle phakpalo Timothy the sepho no Timothy no away ni got first Timothy no Timothy verse 6 chapter 6 verse 17 no chapter 6 verse 17 no come on those who are rich no in these presents were not to be arrogant nor to put their hope in wealth no which is so uncertain but to put their hope in God who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment I want to be gentlemen our enjoyment we should think about it this thing so many problems and so many happiness come out now let us look at bakale kwa page se pho tamata te pha no Timothy asaru asapo the sinui ni teba pwa de la no malo pwa atu atola ta o lo ko I le atita pa tho ta do tani no para tani atala ta tu ta tola at the good clubari, Miller, Juala, a do uto, Patakala to do totola, Pakamunala, Apuni, the gar, the key, no, I want to Pakamunala, Jua Apu, no, Penano, Putanama, Takalani, Urala, Kasayu Apu, no, Paine, Paklequala, Pakatamala, Hebrew, no, Paine, Hebrew chapter 13, no, Hebrew chapter 13, no, verse 5, no, verse 5 ni pekle kwa phane no. Hi, no. Hi, bana. Paine pekas le kwa tse no. Keep your lips free from the love of money and be content with no what you have, because God has said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. We should think about it, okay? Here's no. Keep your life free from the love or money, no? Keep your life free, okay? Let us go to Pacropatu Pata, let Tagit Kaisikono, Penny Pekelequala, Libri put the Sepolo Tamata to the pan, no? Thank you so much, my friends. Oh, it's the Hero World War. Here is the no Penny Pekelequala, Libri Assedut, no, Libri Assedut Sita, a Sapo, no, Libri Assedut Sita, Sapo Yem, no, tu mata pitane, ma tu plerota eclo shiuki, Pethita Udapane, tu mithami orki, Agirita si whether yet a new quibanaba, yet the leather dabanaba, no. We understand about the rich people, they want more, and then they maybe understand all this right now is the wars coming, okay? They fight each other because they want it, okay, other land, you know, that they want other land because they are not enough, okay, thirsty, because they stay thirsty, not they are not enough drink, no? This mean about they thirsty about something, someone property, okay, someone they want to kill. This is not good thing to other people, no. Let us go to no pagitete mala, no. Okay, yes, no. Let us go to this is a very problem about that, because they want someone property. This is not good thing, no. You from the resource, and we saw rich people. Yes, that's okay. You rich, that's fine. But the God said about this, okay, you can reach, but you have to share your need to the poor people. This is a better thing to use, and then save treasure on heaven. No, this means it's a better thing. Let us go to no. I want to keep you reading about little bit. Here is the James chapter 5. James chapter 5 verse 1, no. James chapter 5 verse 1 it teba pwadile, no. Penny, no. Liako sero ye sabutene tebra le. Kegene yi he ho pwa chu to de ko patu to do hota yeda le tanata pole akaba tu akuni diki, no. Let us put but my friends, okay, I love you so much. The God love you, and then the God talking about the no, I can't speak the Russian. Sorry about this. Okay, I can't speak the Russian. We don't want us people fighting each other. We don't want people taking any other land. Okay, this is not good thing to. Okay. This means about the you should think about carefully to the take any other land, no. Everything is in the God hand, okay, everything in the God hand. We can't do nothing about this, no. Hey ni pekle kwalo li, no, pekle kwalo James, no. James ni you rich people weep and well because of the misery that is coming upon you. We understand about that. Now the rich people is okay. Their feelings about the great thing. They feel it, no, great thing. Okay, thank you so much, my friends. Now, thank you so much. Um, this is a reading about the Bible. Okay, a reading about the Bible. You know about this, and that 2,000 years ago, 2025 years ago, the people, one people, the Jesus name, the name is Jesus. Okay, come to the Jerusalem and then born there, and talk about the wisdom and the talent about you know do you like Vladimir Putin? I'm not sure about that. I don't know about that Putin in their hearts, in the hearts. A lot of people pray for the the Russians, and a lot of people pray for the Ukrainians, because we don't want us people each other fighting, and then we don't want us us war in the whole world. That's this meaning about this. Okay, or your president, that's great, because it's the president, that's great, but I'm not sure. Okay, whatever the leader is, we should honor them, because the great thing we should honor, because he is the very important person in the country. That's great thing about um I had to keep going about a little bit here in the James chapter 5 verse 1. Talk about is already. Okay, I want to keep going. So many things about here is that keep treasures in. Okay, here must yourself treasure in heaven, where moth and rust do not destroy, and where a thief do not break in and steal. You understand about this thing, right? We know so many things happen in the earth, but we want to reach. Yeah, me too. I want to reach too. But we think about something important thing coming up to our problem. Okay, this is our problem. No, this is not God's problem. We want to reach. Everybody want to reach. Okay, but they don't reach. Okay, because wisdom is very important. They don't have wisdom. Okay, they got money. They using a lot of them, and then they using whatever they want. They use. Okay. Mother sero who so pokishini teba poile no so kissini teba poile pe mimi papo twitter ludo puido lo muko peta akamigi ta to imigi ta no tama hagoba taba do peta bla no te ba ploba do te huni ba tanidiki no puita tama hawar thiba no tabla taba ploa thiba no awene pukite mana tatir phane sikol batamu no nya kene pekle kwa le tapita ma temi le patinya ne no limate no limate sero sikwi ne pa plawada le minuti mile no Matthew chapter 19 no awene pukite ma phane no Matthew chapter 19 no limate sero sikwi ne tebada pay no sero sikwi sero kisite ni tebada le Jesus seba o Nata me ula nakalo tope todo le salo queen silokako do hita la papa boya porki do naka udo nata ludo puido mukulo no salo queen tapo dali kele kesido nata me uni salo queen tapo dali kele kesi do hilokile papa boya po oh no when he pegete no here is the Matthew chapter 19 verse 21 21 talk about Jesus answer, if you want to be purpose, go sell your possession and give to the poor, and you will have treasures in heaven. Then come follow me. No, I want to tell you pay then follow me, no, pay follow me. But something like in a pay to tell you, do hepo yakiriki, potato madino, no, follow me, hepo yaki, mono, potato or dinner. Bamnile, Pamepo, Sacred, Kibro, Bachala, with Tapotali, Color Cassio, no, Bacalera, no Kurkapat Thilaba, Otera, no Tharkapalo, no, Potato madino, no. Paine, look at Serosiki, Sabotasitani, Teva Palo Munitimile, no. Luca Sero Siki, Sapotasitani, Teva Palo Munitimile, no, Paglepa Pay, no. Luca Sero Siki, no. A suppose the Teva Palo Munitimile, Paglepa Pay, no, Tasiki Tasitana. Sell yours, no. Position and give to the poor, no. Provides, no. Pursue for yourself that will not wear out, a treasure in heaven. Thus thus will not be exhausted. No, where no thieves come near and no man destroy. I want to put mala, no, Tamaha thiba, no, put no, I want to this sikone, aware put mala, aware mawa the thisico, no, who were the thisico. I want to put thinya sicolo, Tamatha, let tati the pie sicolo, no. Penny pekele quala, Pacanyo clone the sepo, no. The look at Sadot Siki a sapo, no. A sapo, Tassitani, Teva Polo Munitimile, Paymano, so what Tassito, Teva Dile, no. Penny, Tusula Cocuni, Salo Quido, he Tacanyo Tarki, Don Mani Tugola, Le Turle a lolly, where the Thiba, no, Pocatello, Turle a lolly, where the Thiba, Taludo Pidula, alert the Thiba, le, Munko, Pe Tabla, the Thububa a Thaba, do Tata, no, Ta a Hato, the Ogoba Tanidiki, no, Ta a Hat Ogoba Tanidiki, no. Let an Hura Pethignano, no, Hawkini, Pabaqua Semen, Ta Tutato, close Shioni metal a redumano. We live on the earth, okay, we need money about that because of our, no, we had to pay so many things about that, okay. Let an Hura, that's me, no, we stay love money, no. Paid up a glare, follow 30 minutes, so who is over see queenie, David, not a see queen, no. First Timothy 19, no. First Timothy 6:19, now verse 19, no. David, pay, no. Do papu, le agoda way, no. Ta cotty, cake what the cow. Dito akagu hini tamu atu yuni tequilo no papu weda no ta bagter mata ludo puido no papu weda awo no lomu koni no papu weda ludo puido dito do bagter mala aga o no ko ukasuwe no bagter mala aga mara no mara kira bao podi no peido bagter mala 30 Timothy a cupuni, Pugate Mano, 30 Timothy a sado who a support a sick queenie, Deva Padile, pay mono, the sick queenie, Baglequa paid the simple mono, pay no, the sick queenie, Deva Padile, no pay mono. In this way, they will lay up treasures for themselves as a firm foundation for the coming age, so that they may take hold of the life that is truly life. When you put it in the man, ta love with a ta omula, no, but a mere door, hero, David Dinamana, a mere Donny law, no, pay 1 Peter, no, regular quala, Peter, no, Peter Copini, no, Le Peter Copini the Sepono, no. 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 4 talk about this, no. Paint 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 4 talk about no Pagitenma painted simple delay no and into an inheritance that can never praise spore of no faith keep in heaven for use no when a pagiten mala pa talu do puido le munko mano when a pagiten mano pay the pagiten mala no 4 no verse 4 ni no 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 4 mano when David ala su pagiten mano su tani thala atahago bado no ataba bado talo nyui ba apu le tapa wele tugola munkolo no we doing the good thing, okay, we giving the needles and we help poor people. This means it that we store up, okay, treasure on heaven, okay. You should think about carefully, no, this is not easy to do, okay, not easy to do, but okay, you want to do, think about it, and then you can do too. You want to save your treasures on the heaven. This meaning about the very grateful, okay, very grateful. My friends, my brother and my sister, we understand about that everybody we will die one day, but we don't want to be, okay, sad and painful. I understand about this, okay, but we living on the earth, sometime happening like this, okay, we want to reach, sometime is the reach not the right way we do, this is not good thing. Do the right way we do, this is a good thing, okay. The God wants us you do the right way. This is mean about that we want to be go back to the heaven, okay, want to live with their good, okay, good heart, we will say like this the better, okay, and then you will, okay, store up your treasures on the heaven, okay. Thank you so much today about the Jesus talk about the treasure we keep it on the earth or we want to be treasure on heaven. This is a bold problem about this, okay. We have to be think carefully and put it in your mind and then, okay, this wiser and okay, do the right thing. Whatever you choosing the good thing, everything, okay. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister, okay. I finish this today about Jesus talk about the treasures, okay, about the treasures we want to put it on the earth or maybe stolen, the thieves are taken, okay, the something that you know what the moth and the rust they destroy, this is not good thing, okay. Put this on the earth the better your treasures. How we had to put it on the earth mean we help in the poor people, okay, maybe windows, and then so many people need help, we can help about like this. This is a better thing you keeping your money, your treasures on heaven, okay. Jesus talk about the selling your property and then giving to the poor, okay. Later then follow me, this is I give you eternal life. Do you want it? Do it. You don't think about you can't do it, don't do it. This is not force you and trying the best in the world, okay. Thank you so much, my friend, my brother. See you next time. Bye bye. God bless you all.